Okay, so for this video, we're basically just gonna make it where you can fall fast if you press S, which is if you press S, and if you don't press S, you fall slower. And yeah, so first of all, inside the script, the server script, we added the well, we added this. Basically, in order for our character to fall at a certain pace, we need to add a vector first. So the vector first, we're just creating it. We know we're not gonna enable it at first, or we're gonna set the relative to road, or else it's not gonna work. And we're gonna set the attachment. And next is camera control, where we do a lot of things. The first thing we do is we save the jump height, the initial jump height. So we do it in a variable. And this is where we add a lot of stuff. We add this, so if the character is jumping, the vector force doesn't enable, and the vector force name is slow fall, so we're just gonna look for vector force name is slow fall and disable it. And if your human rate landed like a touch the ground, the vector force also stops. And yeah, I think this is pretty much all we changed, except we added this. This basically just checks and makes a variable for if you're pressing down something, then the variable is true. If you're not pressing down, it's false. So we can keep track if you're pressing down or not. Oh, I forgot, you also gotta add this new variable, which actually like initializes like if you're pressing down or not, which is always false. So yeah. Next to the heartbeat, we do a lot of stuff. First of all, we make it where if you're pressing down and you can double jump, you go down. This is for canceling the jump. So yeah, we just set the root pot's velocity to a negative value to make it go down fast. And for this, basically, if your root pot is falling and you're not pressing down, the vector force enables, which pushes you a little bit up, which makes you fall slower. But if you are pressing down, then the vector force is disabled and you're pushed down, so you can fast fall. And that's pretty much all we changed. I can test it to show you guys now. So you can see we don't fall that fast. If I press down, we can fall really fast. So yeah. I also made it where if you're attacking, you can't jump, just like in the actual game. So while you're attacking, you can't jump. By doing that, I did that by adding this. If you can't input, then your jump height to 0. But if you can, then your jump height is to 1. So yeah. And that's all for today. So yeah, bye.